Hey guys, I know you missed us, but we're back from our dev kit hiatus. And this week on Dev Kit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling one BBC Microbit V2. This pocket-sized STEM board is great for all you young techies looking to learn more about electronic development and create your own projects. One of the more noticeable features of the board is its 5x5 LED array that developers can use as a light sensor or a tiny screen that you can draw on to display words, numbers, and other information. There's also this super cool touch-sensitive logo and two programmable tactile buttons that you can use to operate the lights. Anyway, that's just the front of the board, and I think it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of the Microbit V2 on the backside. If you flip the board over, you'll be able to see everything that provides it with power and functionality we mentioned. Starting with a 64 MHz Arm Cortex-M4 microcontroller with FPU integrated into the Nordic Semiconductor NRF52833 Multiprotocol SoC. Multiprotocol means that the SoC, which incorporates a radio capable of Bluetooth direction finding, supports short-range wireless connectivity in addition to Bluetooth 5.2, including BLE, Bluetooth Mesh, NFC, Thread, and Zigbee. On top of that connectivity and logic, the Nordic device contains 512 kilobits of flash and 128 kilobits of RAM for application development. But that isn't all that makes this kit exciting. The Microbit V2 is also loaded with a number of sensing options such as an accelerometer, a compass, a MEMS microphone, and a speaker. External components can be added via 25 gold-tabbed edge pins and 5 ring connectors, 3 of which are used for digital and analog I/O, and the other 2 for power and ground. When programming the Microbit V2 to take advantage of these components, you use either the onboard micro USB interface or a 2-pin JST connector. Aside from the physical features of the kit, the Microbit V2 is packaged with a mobile app that allows users to send code to the board over Bluetooth, eliminating the need for the aforementioned USB and JST interfacing altogether. And that makes it a great way to get a classroom up and running with their STEM projects quickly. Another reason the kit is great for educational purposes is that it can be programmed in multiple languages, including C++, Microbit MakeCode, Python, and Scratch. MakeCode, for example, simplifies development by providing access to a library of blocks that convert JavaScript for easy application development, as well as a simulator that can be used to test and execute programs directly in a browser. A wide range of projects and intuitive commands in the MakeCode environment help kickstart the engineering experience, offering the ability to access program space, share, zoom, undo, redo, download, name and save, show, hide the simulator, and use the block library, and that's just to name a few. For the price of $14.95, you can buy their Microbit V2. However, it's important to mention that it does not include any cables or power sources. The company recommends purchasing a Microbit AAA battery holder for about $2 or a micro USB cable to power your board. As usual, you can enter this week's raffle and try to win the one BBC Microbit V2 that we're giving away for absolutely free. Links to purchase the kit and to enter the raffle are on your screen now, and they can be found in the description below. Well guys, thanks for watching this week's Dev Kit Weekly. It's good to be back, and we'll see you all next week.